Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a great leader who changed the world without using violence. His name is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd of October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, India. He is known as the father of the nation in India. Gandhi taught the world the power of truth and non-violence. Basically, I will see education. Gandhi completed his early education in India. Later, he went to London, England, where he studied law and became a lawyer. After that, he went to South Africa, where he faced discrimination and began fighting against injustice. After returning to India, Gandhi became the leader of the freedom of movement. He started many non-violent movements such as non-cooperation movement, Dandi March, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement. He inspired millions of Indians to fight for freedom peacefully. Gandhi worked for ending untouchability, helping the poor and women, promoting Swadeshi and Khadi. He believed that be the change you want to see in the world. Mahatma Gandhi played a central and historic role in India's struggle for independence. He transformed the freedom movement by introducing non-violence, ahimsa, and truth satyagraha as powerful tools against British government. Now, non-violence and satyagraha. Before Gandhi, many freedom fighters believed in violent resistance. Gandhi taught the peaceful resistance is stronger and more effective than violence. He believed injustice can be defeated through truth and patience. This method was called Satyagraha. Because of this approach, millions of ordinary Indians joined the freedom struggle. Now, non-cooperation movement 1920. Gandhi launched the non-cooperation movement to weaken British control. He asked Indians to boycott British goods, leave British schools, courts, and government jobs. Promote Indians made products. This movement united people across India and turned the freedom struggle into a mass movement. Now, Dandi March, Salt Satyagraha 1930. The British government imposed heavy taxes on salt, which affected the poor the most. To protest this, Gandhi walked about 240 miles from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi. He broke the salt law by making salt from seawater. This powerful act shocked the British government and gained international attention. Now, Quit India Movement 1942. During World War II, Gandhi launched the Quit India Movement. His clear message was the British must leave India. Protest separate across the country. Gandhi and other leaders were imprisoned. This movement made it clear that British rule could not continue. Now, national unity and social reform. Gandhi believed freedom was not just political but also social. He worked for Hindu Muslim unity, removal of untouchability, rights of women and the poor. He wanted an equal and united nation. Now, why Gandhi's rule was unique? He made the freedom struggle a people's movement. He proved that non-violence can defeat a powerful empire. His idea inspired freedom movements around the world. Now, death and legacy. On 30th January 1948, Gandhi was assassinated in New Delhi. Although he is no longer with us, his idea of peace and non-violence continue to inspire the world. Mahatma Gandhi was the heart of India's freedom struggle. Under his leadership, India achieved independence in 1947. Mahatma Gandhi was not just a leader, he was an idea. Thank you for watching.